Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. LINK has shown a first reaction to the micro support area that we defined in previous days, and we're going to take a look at that for anybody who's new on the channel. With LINK, we are watching here this 5-wave pattern to the upside: wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Wave 4 already completed, and wave 5 is now likely unfolding. And wave 5 could be nearly, sort of finished. The move down looked corrective, and the wave cut, well, that suggests further trend continuation higher, and also the price structure suggests one more high could be likely. Okay, so what we should do is we are taking a look at the microstructure there. Just wanted to get everybody on the same page. So basically, we have visually already 5 waves up on this time frame. That means we have already seen the top, or we could be close to the top. And then a pullback in wave 2. A pullback in wave 2 could be the next, let's say, larger opportunity to get on board for a third wave rally if the market offers such a pullback. Sometimes they are very shallow, especially in bullish markets. Okay, so that's why I always say, when you want to trade for an all-time high or whatever, then it is worth holding a core position, because sometimes people try to sell at the top of wave 1, buy back in wave 2. Let me tell you, in a bullish market, sometimes these wave 2s are shallow, and you can really only manage that uncertainty with tactics and sound trading strategies. So looking at the shorter time frame, then we have seen a wave 1 to the upside from the 4th wave low, which formed on the 8th of January. We have seen this wave 1 of 5. Then we've seen the wave 2 of wave 5, which was the low on the 25th of January. The low point was marked at around $13.50. And then a third wave rally here, third of a fifth wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As part of a third wave of a larger fifth wave. Then this topped most likely on the 12th of February. We have to assume that, okay, that was the assumption. And this correction, even though they are never easy to track, has basically worked out in line with expectations. Now, you can really not, let's say, predict a correction normally very much in advance, at least not the microstructure. But we are tracking typically the most likely structures, which is in this case an ABC, and it followed that nicely. A wave down in 3 waves. A B wave rally, and now this C wave to the downside, which to be honest could be complete. We have seen the market react a little bit to that lower boundary line of the trend channel there. There's a bit of channel. Then we've seen it react to the orange zone, which is the ideal support zone for that 4th wave, with support between 1678 and 1883. Also, especially the area between the area around the $17.67 level is relevant, because that is the 38.2 retracement, and typically a very common target for a 4th wave. And then a 5th wave to the upside is still basically to be expected, you could say. 5th wave, and as long as the orange box is holding, a 5th wave should be realistic and a reasonable interpretation, and a good indication that the 5th wave has started. I mean, a green candle isn't enough, of course, but a good indication is a break above the B wave high at $20.40. That's a break above the B wave high. That would be helpful to determine that wave 5 has unfolded. Confirmation is given with a break of the 3rd wave high. That is at around about $20.90. which was my minimum target for the entire upside. So my minimum expectations have been reached, basically. And that means, coupled together with the fact that we already are able to identify 5 waves up on the larger time frame, I mean, that just means we have to be on the side of caution, right? But the uptrend isn't broken. The uptrend will only most likely break with that break below the micro support at 1678. So we're watching for further upside, and the next upside target is $23.78. Above that level, I even have $29 still available as potential target. That would be quite a stretch target, however, for wave 5. Yeah, that's my update about LINK. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.